Good morning, students. Further explanation. Looking at his newborn sister Meza, and but where are her wheels? Till here I am explaining you. When his sister was born and he looked at her, he could not see her feet. He was wondering where the baby's wheels were. That means the feet of the baby, as Albert Einstein used to play with toys, and all the toys had a set of wheels to him. Maza seemed to be a toy too, and so he might have thought that where were his wheels? A headmaster till anything. The headmaster of Einstein school told Einstein's father that Einstein would never be successful in whatever profession he choose. Now, from Einstein till his life. Then, Einstein was very good violinist. He learned playing the violin at the age of 6 because his mother wanted him to learn to play it. All his life he was a mature violinist. He played the violin as a hobby, not as a profession. Amateur meaning is already given in your book, students. Okay, please say it. But Albert till student. But Albert till student. Albert Einstein was a good student. He went to school in Munch because his family had moved from Ulma to Munch when he was 15 months old and scored good marks in almost every subject. Then explanation of next two lines. The school where Einstein went had a very strict discipline which he disliked. Due to that, he often clashed with the teacher's opinion and opposed him. At the age of 15 till forever. Next three lines. At the age of 15 till next three lines. Forever. Einstein was so suffocated in the school he could not follow the strict discipline, and so he left the school forever. The previous year till relatives. The previous year till relatives. When Albert Einstein left the school 1 year before that, his parents had moved to another city, Milan, which is in Italy. Albert was left behind in Munch with his relatives. Now, after a prolonged stay, Munch. The school in Munch was very strict. Albert could not follow the discipline over there. He had a long discussion with his family, relatives, and finally, his parents agreed to put him in a school in Switzerland. And the language used there for communication was German. Einstein was highly gifted till Zurich. Einstein was good at studies. He was highly gifted in mathematics, so he was exceptionally good in mathematics. And he also had interest in physics. Once he finished school, he joined the university in Zurich. Now, completing till mustache. Since as science was not only thing that appealed to Einstein, who was very handsome young man, other than science, he had interest in something else also. He also felt special interest till clever creature. Three lines. Other than math and physics, Albert Einstein looked one of his fellow students. Her name was Melvia Merrick. He thought that she was very clever, sharp, and intelligent. From this young till the degree, they met at the University of Zurich. Milva Maria belonged to Siberia, that is why she is called Serb. She comes from Siberia to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few universities in Europe which gave degrees to female students. Einstein saw till odds. Einstein felt that Melva was a friend because she also liked art, literature, or music. Both shared the common interest in those days. Having interest in art, literature, or music was not considered to be so good. So those who were interested in art, literature, and music used to call their opponents Philistines. Albert Einstein's family and many people in the university were not in favor of this. So against such people, Albert Einstein and Melva Merrick unity helped them to face the situation. Now, the couple fell in love till conclusion. The couple fell in love till conclusion. Albert Einstein and Milan Maric fell in love and they exchanged love letters to express their feelings. They used to write such kinds of letters which they used to make signs with their feelings. At one instance, Einstein talked about his scientific inventions and said that he would be very proud on that day when they would finally conclude their paper on the theory of relativity. Now from in 1900 till unemployed. These two lines till unemployed. In the year 1900, Albert Einstein was 21 years of age and he compared his graduation from the university but was unemployed. From 1909 to 1902, Albert Einstein was working as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons also. Finally, in 1902, he got a job in Bern. Bern is a city of a German. He got the job of a teacher, technical officer there in a patent's office in Bern. Now, while till secret. Einstein was supposed to check the inventions done by people and give them a patent. On the other hand, secretly he was making his own inventions too. He said till physics. Einstein later said the desk on which he worked was the office of theoretical physics because there only he started working on his inventions. Now, one of the famous paper till not absolutely. In the year 1905, Einstein published the first paper. It was about special theory of relativity. In this publication, it was written that the measurement of time and distance is not absolute. It depends on something else. Now, the whole paragraph I am concluding. According to the theory, if there are two clocks and both are moving, they will not show the same time. One clock will move faster than the other. The theory of relativity gives us the basic formula of physics, that is E is equal to mc2. E stands for energy, m for mass of the object and c for the speed of the light in a vacuum. Vacuum means where there is no air and the speed of light in vacuum is almost 300 kilometers, students. To put into a simpler words, Einstein said that when you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. On the other hand, when you sit on a hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. That is relativity. So person would feel the time differently. Now, on the next page, from starting line number 10, while Einstein unraveling, though he was solving the complicated problem in physics for the world, his personal life started become problematic. He started to fail in the personal life. Now, Albert had wanted to marry till it. Albert Einstein wanted to marry Melba Maric soon after he finished his study, but his mother was against this. Palin thought that Malik was 3 years elder to Albert. Einstein was very old for him. Now, she also bothered till off. Pauline, the mother, thought that Malva was very intelligent to be wife, and she told Einstein that Malva was also like a book and was similar to him. As his mother was against the marriage, he cancelled this wedding with Malva. The next one line, Albert Einstein married Malva in year 1903 and they had 2 sons. Their marriage failed as Malvik was very intelligent. Being a housewife, she could not cope with her ambitions. She could not fulfill her ambitions, and so she started become unhappy. Malva was unhappy from the marriage. She could not fulfill her career dream. So finally in the year 1919, after the prolonged fighting, both of them separated. Albert Einstein married the second time. His married his cousin Elsa. Einstein married again, second time the cousin Elsa. At the time Einstein married Elsa, another thing considered it was Einstein's rise to world fame. Einstein became world famous. Everyone acknowledged him as a great scientist. Now, in 1915, till gravity. In year 1915, he published one more paper which was based on general theory of relativity, which gave a new interpretations to gravity. In the year 1919, there was a solar eclipse which proved the Albert Einstein general theory of relativity was correct. Now, last line, Albert Einstein had calculated in the year 1915 that the year 1919 there would be a solar eclipse. Due to it, the apparent position of the stars would change to some extent. His calculation was accurate. So it was announced that Albert Einstein's work was a scientific revolution. And now Einstein received till 1901. The whole paragraph I am concluding now. In 1933, when Germany came under the power of Nazis, the famous Nazi ruler was Adolf Hitler. At that time, Einstein left Germany and shifted to United States of America forever. After 5 years, the Germans discovered the process of nuclear fission, the process through which nuclear bombs or atomic bombs are made. This process was prepared in Berlin. Due to this, all the physicians in America were upset as they feared misuse of the technology. There were many scientists who escaped to America because of fascism. Fascism was a dictatorial concept which was started in Europe from Italy by the rule of Benito Mussolini. As the scientists were afraid that Nazis could misuse the atom bomb. Now I am explaining you line number 15, 16 and 17. Albert Einstein was requested by a colleague, and so he wrote a letter to the President of America, Franklin D. Roosevelt, on 2nd August 1929. 2nd August 1939. He wanted them to that the atomic bomb which was developed by Germany was very powerful. If one of these bombs exploded on any port, it would not only destroy the area, but also it would destroy the surrounded territory. This shows Einstein was very considered person. He wanted good for the people. He wanted peace in the world. That is why he wrote his concern to the President of America and warned him. Albert Einstein later had an impact on Franklin D. Roosevelt. The American developed the atomic bomb secretly and dropped it on 2 cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The Germans had just developed the atomic bomb. They did not use it on the country, but American did. He wrote an official letter to the United Nations organization. Albert Einstein proposed to form a world government, but they later did not bear any fruit. For another 10 years, Albert Einstein was involved in world peace. He was involved in politics, and his agenda was to stop the countries involved in collecting arms and developing weapons. He campaigned for world peace and democracy. His main agenda was world peace and freedom of people. Einstein could foresee the future when he died in 1950 at the age of 76. The world celebrated him as a visionary. He was a world citizen and a scientific genius too. Thank you, students.